Okay, I'm just now walking upstairs, and there's a door up here that will get you out to a very large patio, which we'll see it from the other windows. But long hallway, and then you've got bedroom here, shared with another bedroom here, and then you've got your bathroom in between. And it's a very colorful bathroom, and got your faucet in there. Everything's intact in this bathroom. The mirror is not hanging up. They've got these shelves that they just kind of leaned on there. And this is coming in off the other bedroom. All of the closet doors they have not been stained. And we're going to go down the hallway. I'm going to turn it off